Your income isn't enough? Here's what to do. The goal is to earn more, not spend more. A raise won't make you wealthy. Unless you use it right? You could be making 80K, 90K, even 100K a year and still be broke. Broke people often have good jobs. They just don't have a plan. So when they get a raise, they just spend it. More money coming in, more money going out. If you want wealth, you have to keep more of what you make. And look, I'm not saying you shouldn't enjoy your life. Of course you should. But understand the difference between needs and wants. Wants are the things that will keep you stuck. Build multiple income streams. This is the fastest way to grow your wealth. A side hustle can be anything that brings in extra money. It could be a part-time job, a hobby that makes money, or even a small business. When you have multiple income streams, you're not relying on just one source of income. You have more financial stability. Monetize your skills. Are you good at something? Can you teach others? Can you help them? There's value in your skills. Can you write, edit, design, code, consult? There's a marketplace for your skills. You could be helping people while making money. And if you don't have any skills, go back to school, take some courses, learn something. And most importantly, don't inflate your lifestyle. When you make more, don't feel like you need to spend more. You may think you need a bigger house, a nicer car, fancier clothes, but you don't. You're trading your future happiness for today's temporary pleasure. Instead, invest that extra money. Let compounding interest work for you. Time is your greatest asset. The earlier you start investing, the better. Don't inflate your lifestyle. Inflate your investments. In the full video, I show you how to start earning and investing on autopilot. Part 6 dives into automation. Watch the full video now. Save this video for later. Share with a friend. Let's build generational wealth together. See you soon.